Hey there, beautiful. Thank you so much for clicking my video. And in today's video, I will be doing a wig show and tell on a wig that was sent to me from LuvMe. If you are interested in this wig by the end of the video or during the video, the wig link will be in the description box with some other links that you might find interesting. And in the video, I do have on gloves. The gloves is clean. I was bleaching knots. So when you order, your wig is right there, and they also send you some goodies in the box. This is a LuvMe dust bag, so you can store your wig in when you're not wearing it. It also comes with a LuvMe hair manual on care directions for your wig, some FAQs that you might have about the company or product, and how to return so you can get a refund. I also got this cute LuvMe little bag. It is very cute. I'm going to tell you guys what's inside. They also sent me 2 wig caps. And this is what's inside of the LuvMe hair bag. You get a LuvMe hair silk edge scarf and a LuvMe mirror. Oh, and a edge brush / comb. Here's a close-up of inside on the cap construction. It comes with a 4x4 lace closure. Behind the closure, you get 3 combs, another comb and napier with adjustable straps. They also went ahead and inserted a elastic band so you get extra secure snug fit. And as for the cap material, it is a stretch fit material. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Here's a close-up on the hairline. Like I said before, it comes with a closure, so the sides is just made of wefts. The main focus of this wig is the forehead. The parting that already came with the wig is a left side part. The hairline comes lightly pre-plucked and the knots come lightly bleached. So from the parting space over to that side is the only part I plucked, and I plucked it off camera. Here is the before and after. The left side of your screen is how the hairline comes, and the right side of the screen is how I plucked it. And I just lightly plucked it. I didn't do nothing too heavy. So after I plucked it, I noticed there's some flyaways at the top. So I'm going to use this My First Wigs flyaway tamer and just lightly apply the product onto the flyaways. Look at that. Boom. All them flyaways is laying down. And then I'm going to go in with my Anna's hot comb to really help melt the product into the hair. The wig already come nice and straight, but I'm just going to go in with my Babyliss Prima and bump the ends a little bit more. You can go in row by row and straighten the hair, but I'm just doing it the quick way. Now right here, I'm just cutting off the extra lace in the front, and I'm using eyebrow scissors. I'm just cutting right across the hairline in little zigzag motions. Whoop whoop. Now it's time for the install, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this install is about to be quick and easy. Underneath the lace, I applied some makeup powder, but only to the spots that I'll be showing. So that's the parting space and hairline. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps that already have the elastic band on the inside, so I didn't want to hook it too close. I'm going in with a brown stocking cap underneath the wig. So in putting on the wig, first I'm going to put on the elastic band so I can make sure it's in the right spot, nice and secure. Then I pull the wig back, and I'm just going to lift the wig up and place it where it belongs. And I could tell it's in the right spot by the ear tabs. Now I'm going to pull the hair back and focus on this hairline. Even after applying powder underneath the lace, it's still coming off light on my skin. So I'm going to go in with some foundation. I take a small pump of that and smudge it on the paper towel with a brush. And now the leftover product on the brush, I'm just going to lightly apply it on top of the lace on the hairline. Now I'm going to take this bedhead hardhead spray and spray one layer of this on top of the lace on the hairline. Now I'm just going to blow dry the hairline until it's completely dry. I have the blow dryer on the low warm setting, and I'm just using the rat tail comb to help press down the edges of the lace so it can lay flat on my skin. The top of the wig wasn't flat enough to my liking, so I'm going in with the Andes hot comb on the highest temperature setting, which is 20, and just pressing down the roots by the parting space. Last but not least, now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 and apply some of this powder to the parting space and the hairline. This just helps hide the knots and the grids on the lace, but also help the parting space look a little bit more like scalp. Okay, beautiful. Right here is my end result, and I kept it very simple. This is a wig show and tell for anybody that's curious on what this wig looks like from the LuvMe hair website, or if you're looking for a new style, or you just click the video to support. I really appreciate it. So the cut on the wig is nice. It has a nice cut, nice angle, especially when I look down. The hair texture is on the silky side. It has a really nice shine. I don't have any product on the hair except for at the top with the flyaway tamer. I'm not sure what the hair density is, but to me, the hair density is low, and it's okay because it goes with the style of the wig. The hair color is a natural black, but if you don't like the natural black color, you can always go in and dye it jet black. You can even go in and bleach the hair. This is a virgin hair wig. Now that I'm editing and I can see the back of the wig, it could use some trimming just a little bit. It's still not too bad. I would still wear the wig, but if you're a perfectionist, then you can always go in and just straighten up the cut a bit. The lace looks great with my skin, especially once I got it to blend it with my skin tone. I'm not really a huge fan of 4x4 closure wigs, but I really love how easy it is to install these wigs. This is how the hairline fully looks, so you know what you're dealing with, especially if you're walking through harsh winds. And like I said, it's okay because a lot of people don't mind the whole closure look. It's so easy to install, quick on the go, easy to maintain, and I believe it's very beginner friendly. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys later. Be safe out there.